What's up everyone? I just want to come on here really quickly and show you guys exactly how with this one trade today, now I'm going to go over every single thing, exactly how I decided if I was going to go for buys or for sells. And then I'm also going to go all the way down to the lower time frame to the 1 minute and show you guys my execution. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Two simple steps. First of all, higher time frame, top down analysis. What does that mean? That means I'm going to use the daily and the 4 hour and make sure that they're both in the same context, creating higher highs and higher protected lows. And as long as they're both doing that, having breaks to the upsides that you guys can see, break, 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 then I can step down to the 1 minute for step 2 and do my execution. So daily, you can clearly see literally that is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, making the daily bullish. Now we look at the 4 hour, make sure that it's doing the exact same thing. We had some breakdowns here, but the last two breaks, as you guys can clearly see, are to the upside. Break number 1, break number 2, higher high being created, higher low being created, higher high being created, making the 4 hour bullish. And if you guys don't know, this is platinum. I don't know if I said it, but it is platinum. So in the 1 minute, we're going to be looking for the exact same thing, for the breaks to the upside. And that's exactly why we didn't enter anywhere here, is because what was the chart doing? It was breaking down. So in the 1 minute, we were still bearish, even though in the daily and the 4 hour, we were bullish. We waited for breaks to the upside. We get the break. Now we're still not going to enter because we need there to be 2 breaks with a cluster. A cluster is just a retest of an area. So let's say we get a break. There's a zone left behind in the area. Then we get the retest, boom, and we end up entering right here, anticipating for there to be a break. So it would look something like this. And that's exactly what was happening right here, which is why we ended up taking this buy right here and we targeted, but in this case we targeted at 1 to 2. We got tapped in this candle, and lo and behold, our TP gets hit. And that's the trade breakdown under 6 minutes. As always, thank you for watching. Check the links in the description if you want my full free course, and if you also want my trading view indicator, just sign up to the course. It's completely free, and on WAP you have a channel that you can claim access to the indicator. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hit the like, hit the sub, and we'll see you on the next one.